Here I have TCL 205, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. Then when you adjust in the normal capture mode, what you have to do is to hold down the shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let's take it. So you just hold it. Wait, what? Okay. Excuse me for this misunderstanding. So you have to firstly switch to the more modes and select burst shot mode. And now just long press shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let's try to take it. So as you can see, you can take up to 13 shots, which pretty a lot. And here you can review all these shots. Wait, what? So here I have these 30 photos, and here you can check them out. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.